Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Makeup Divas, and today's video is a Dooney and Bourke Florentine handbag unboxing video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies this Dooney and Bourke Florentine handbag unboxing video. And ladies, this video is all about the handbag that I have in this box right here. And I wanted to share with you ladies what handbag that I picked up from the Dooney and Bourke store. I actually did call a few Dooney and Bourke stores, and I actually ordered a handbag from the Dooney and Bourke stores, and my mom also ordered the same handbag as well. So before I even share with you ladies what handbag that I ordered from the Dooney and Bourke store, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week in my channel, and I do makeup tutorials, fashion and style videos, hair product review videos, and home decor videos as well. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, right next to that subscription button, just click on that bell and you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. So ladies, yes, I did it again. I ended up getting another Dooney and Bourke handbag. Yes ladies, I know. I just adore the quality of Dooney and Bourke handbags, and this is actually my third Dooney and Bourke handbag, and I'm really excited for me to share with you ladies what handbag that I ordered from the Dooney and Bourke store. And if you haven't really been watching one of my videos, then you'll find out that I am just adore handbags. I have all kinds of handbags. I have Chanel, I have Louis Vuitton, I also have some Hermes Birkins, and I also have Goyard, and a few other luxury brand handbags that I collect in my handbag collection. So I wanted to add some Dooney and Bourke handbags to my handbag collection, and like I said, I adore their quality, and their handbags are just amazing. Okay, so now let me go ahead and share with you ladies what handbag that I ordered from the Dooney and Bourke store. My mom also ordered the same handbag from the Dooney and Bourke store, the same one. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you ladies what bag I ordered. So it came in a box, of course, and here is the box. Okay, and it came like this. Now it wasn't in a bag, it was the dust bag, and the bag was folded. I decided to go ahead and add her in the bag for me to share with you ladies how she looked like in the Dooney and Bourke shopping bag. Okay, and so I'm gonna go ahead and get her out. And like I did say before, the shopping bag came into the box as well, And here is the dust bag, the Dooney and Bourke dust bag. Now, she did come in a dust bag. Okay, so they put her in a dust bag, and let me go ahead and share with you ladies what color I picked up, and I'm going to explain to you ladies why I picked up this particular color. Okay, so here she is. This is the Dooney and Bourke Florentine satchel in the size medium in the color Light Taupe. Okay, now this color, they call it a light taupe, but for me sometimes she can be gray, like a light gray, and sometimes she can be a light taupe, depending on the lighting and depending on the outfit that you're wearing, the color of the outfit that you're wearing. So she is just really sexy. She is pretty, she is bold, she She is sophisticated, and here she is, right here, ladies. And here is the tag. And I'm gonna go ahead and open her up so I can share with you how she looked like inside. Now, I'm not going to unstuff her, but I am gonna share with you what the bag came with. Okay, she comes like this with the green suede. And the inside is also red as well. And she comes with a strap so you can wear her crossbody or double strap for a shoulder strap. And she also have a key finder. So ladies, this is her. This is it. Okay. Now the reason why I picked up the Florentine satchel in the size medium and also in the color Light Taupe is because the size medium is a really big bag, and I really adore big bags. I would not really mind, ladies, if I did get her in a size small, but since they did have her available in the medium, I decided to pick her up in the medium. And the reason why I've decided to get the Light Taupe, because it's a lighter color and also is a neutral color, and it's a color that can be light gray in some lights and light taupe in other lights. And like I said, depending on the color of your outfit, it can come off as light gray or light taupe. Okay, so what I adore about this bag is not only the color, and the color also kind of have like a gray, like a light gray mixed in with a brown, mixed in with like a mushroom color. It's just a really pretty color. And if you look on the sides right here, the sealant that seals the leather is like a plum, kind of like a plum burgundy cranberry color. And then also the whip stitching is also in the Tomorrow brown. And you know, these satchels have lots of details. Okay, so they are very detail oriented, and as you can see, there's some tassels right here on the side, tassels again. And like I said, these satchels have lots of detail. And then also the gold hardware is kind of like a matte finish gold. It's really pretty. And the stitching that stitches the bag is like a yellow, kind of like a golden yellow type of color. And here is the duck patch right here. And ladies, I simply adore this bag. I simply adore this bag, and this bag is just really amazing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do a fashion and style video, and I'm going to share with you ladies how I would style her. And I'm also going to wear her for a few weeks and then come back and do a thorough review and my thoughts about this handbag. So ladies, thank you so much for watching this Dooney and Bourke Florentine handbag unboxing video. I will be doing more videos. I will be doing more makeup tutorials, more fashion style videos, more hair product review videos, and more home decor videos as well. Bye-bye and God bless.